Bruce Willis is an American actor, producer, and singer. He was born on March 19, 1955, in Eder Oberstein, West Germany. Willis is known for his versatile acting skills and has appeared in a wide range of films, including action movies, comedies, and dramas. Willis rose to fame in the late 1980s and early 1990s with his role as John McClane in the Die Hard film series, which became a major success and established him as an action star. He portrayed McClane in 5 films: Die Hard, 1988, Die Hard 2 Inches, 1990, Die Hard with a Vengeance, 1995, Live Free or Die Hard, 2007, and A Good Day to Die Hard, 2013. In addition to the Die Hard series, Willis has starred in numerous other notable films, including Pulp Fiction, 1994, directed by Quentin Tarantino, where he played the role of Butch Coolidge. He has also appeared in movies such as The Fifth Element, 1997, Armageddon, 1998, The Sixth Sense, 1999, Unbreakable, 2000, Sin City, 2005, and Red, 2010. Apart from his success in action and thriller genres, Willis has showcased his comedic talent in films like Moonlighting, 1985 to 1989, a TV series where he played the role of David Addison Jr., and in movies such as The Whole 9 Yards, 2000, and its sequel, The Whole 10 Yards, 2004. In recent years, Bruce Willis has continued to work in various film projects, including action movies, thrillers, and comedies. He has also made appearances in television shows and lent his voice to animated films. Willis has received several awards throughout his career, including a Golden Globe for his performance in the television series, Moonlighting, and numerous other nominations and accolades. Beyond his acting career, Willis has dabbled in music and released a blues album called The Return of Bruno, in 1987, which received moderate success. Bruce Willis remains a prominent figure in the entertainment industry and has left a lasting impact with his iconic roles and versatile performances.